What's up, everybody? TJ Float is here with a quick video for you guys. I'm actually going to share my screen and get started real quick. Sorry about my camera here. I'm using another laptop, but in this video, I'm going to show you how to make Clickbank sales using my lead gen secret. Okay, let me make sure I'm live. Cool. I can hear myself. There, guys. If you have any questions, place them underneath. Comment, subscribe if you're new to the channel. Give me a thumbs up, and I'm going to show you in this video how you can use Clickbank with my lead gen secret. Okay. Now, just head on over to Clickbank, create an account. I'm actually in the e-business, e-marketing, as you can see right here, e-business, e-marketing section. And you can get there by just coming over here to these categories on the left-hand side, e-business and e-marketing. I'm going to be actually promoting a product here. I think it's this one. Okay. All you want to do is hit promote. Once you logged in, if you have an account, I already did it here. So it's going to bring you to a page like this. I put a tracking ID to see in my back office. This product here pays 75% commission. And the way you get back here is, once again, just hit the promote, and then this page will pop up, and then just generate a hop link. I put 6464 my lead gen secret. I put the initials right there, right? Why 64? Because today is June the 4th, so 64. So that way I can track this email. So here's my actual link that I'm going to promote. So I'm going to just click on that so it can click the little copy there. It's going to copy to my clipboard. I'm going to head on over to the mailing system. Now, with my lead gen secret, guys, you can get 100 leads per day when you're new. But if you somebody signs up with you, you can generate 200 leads per day. All right. So that's what I'm generating, about 200 leads per day. I have a lot of leads at the moment. And every day I get 200 new leads, guys. I mean, I can't even keep up. I mean, just look at the numbers, 2, 4, 6, 8. It's incredible. So what I'm going to do, my last result, I haven't sent an email here in a while. The last one I sent was on the 30th. So it's been about 4 or 5 days. What I want is just to keep building lead. Now, if you want more sales, I recommend you send daily emails. I'm just waiting to, that way I can send more emails, right? Because you can only send one email per day. So let me go to the mailing system. Everybody who's on the team, guys, just keep building your lists. Here, there's a lot of them. I have a lot of leads here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to promote this email. I'm going to say load up. I got this email in the affiliate section right here. They have an affiliate page for that product. It's just an email. Now you can just copy and paste. So let me go back. So this is the subject line of the email that's going to go out to the people I'm about to email. And then here where it says click this link right now, I'm going to put my new tracking link in here. Just hit paste. Okay. And then let me see here. Okay, I'll just say okay. All right, so that's my new email. Let me highlight it. Let me see here. Let me look in here once again. That looks like that's it, because I see the 64 over here. My lead gen is okay. So it looked like it's working. I want to preview the email. So this is the email that's going to go out. If you want to pause the video. Companies looking for people to complete surveys. Hi, could you use extra $300 a month, blah, blah, blah. Click this link right now. So if I open this in incognito, as you can see, it's the Clickbank link up here. And it goes, this is my affiliate ID for Clickbank. And if somebody makes a purchase here, I will earn 75% commission. Of course, they have to enter their name and their email. But if somebody goes through, right, I earn a commission. And that's how you can earn commissions too. So what I'm going to do is come up here and let me see how many people, 200, 4, 6, 8. As you can see right here, 2, 4, 6, 8 on the right-hand side. 1,000, right? 2, 4, 6, 8. 2,000, 2, 4, 6, 8. 3,000. Wow. 2, 4, 6, 8. All right. So, wow, that's a lot of emails there, guys. Let me see. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 on the 30th. So 12, 14, 16, 18, 2, 22, 24, 26, 28, 3,000, 3,200, 34, 36, 3,800, I believe. 3,800 emails. I'll double check here in a second. Send email. Almost 4,000 emails, guys. Hopefully I can get a sale. And one way I can track it also is here in Clickbank. In the analytics section, I can see if anybody clicked on that link and visited that website. Your message has been queued. You should be able to view it. Okay, so let me go there. See, this is the only problem here. I got to wait 22 hours, almost 23 hours before I can send the next email. But that's fine because I'm about to get another 200 leads. Oh, it's right here. I already sent 3,800. So that was 3,800 right there. I just sent 3,800 email, almost 4,000 emails. Let me come back over here. All right, so this is the email that's going to go out. As you can see, my last email that I sent on the 30th, 486 people opened it up. 72 went to my website. So this is how I get traffic. Another way you can get traffic, guys. I think this program is amazing. To other people that sign up, guys, welcome aboard. This program is awesome. Just build your leads. Keep testing your traffic. See what converts. You never know, right? All it takes is one sale, and then you're on gold, right? So that's what I use. If you want more information on my lead gen secret, you can visit my website. The link is in the description below, guys. If you want to visit my website, tjflores.com, you're more than welcome. Thanks for the thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. We're trying to hit 10,000 subscribers. Well, I'm trying to hit 10,000 subscribers. I think I got like 5,200 or something like that. It's been a while. I try to make videos. Here's my Facebook also. Remember, a Power Lead System. Let me see here. Send me a friend request. Pause the video if you want. Here's a video where I made another Clickbank check, guys. This is the strategy I use. Let me show you guys. If I fast forward the video here, I'm talking here. I was in my car. Look at that. A Clickbank check, right? Clickbank check. More to come, guys. More to come. All you got to do is stay positive. Believe that you're going to get the sales. Just stay positive. Keep working it, right? And with that said, guys, thanks for watching. Guys, all it is get started. You get 100 leads per day. It is $30 to sign up per month. And then a $30 sign up. You got to pay $30 to start your account, and then $30 per month. So the first month, $60. I think I've been in the program for about a month. 3,800 emails already. This email here, wow. I mean, not bad, right? People are starting to come over to the site, guys. So that's how you can get sales, by having people view your opportunity. Now, you might not get a sale right away. It might take a while. I did receive a sale. Hopefully, it can happen to you. Anything is possible. There's no guarantee in nothing, right? But let me see here, statistics. As you can see, it went down. I need to send more emails, guys. I want to keep this going up. So let's keep it going. And once again, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in another video. Let me stop screen share. All right, guys, I'll see you in another video. Take care for now. God bless. Bye-bye.